In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Cname record in Cloudflare. If you're looking to manage your domain's DNS settings effectively, adding a Cname record can be a crucial step in the process. That's what I'll guide you through today, ensuring you can direct traffic efficiently and make the most of your domain. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select the specific domain you wish to work with. This is an important step because Cloudflare allows you to manage multiple domains from a single account, and you'll want to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. After selecting your domain, navigate to the DNS section. You'll find this by looking for the tab marked DNS on the dashboard. Once there, you'll see an option to manage your DNS records. This is where we can add new records or edit existing ones. Now, you'll want to look for the Add Record button, which is typically placed prominently on this DNS management page. Clicking this will present you with different types of DNS records you can create. For this task, you're going to choose the Cname type from the drop-down menu. Cname, which stands for canonical name, is used when you want to alias one name to another. It's particularly useful if you're setting up subdomains. You'll then be prompted to fill in a few fields. The first field is the name field, where you'll enter your subdomain. This could be, for example, www, blog, or maybe selector, domain key, if you're dealing with domain keys for email authentication. Next, in the target, or content field, you'll enter the host name that you want your subdomain to alias. It's very important here to use a fully qualified domain name like example.com or mailservice.provider.com rather than an IP address, which isn't suitable for Cname records. Then comes the TTL, or time to live setting. This dictates how long your DNS record is cached before it is refreshed. For most scenarios, you can leave this setting at auto or the default value. This way, Cloudflare will handle the timing, ensuring optimal performance. You'll also need to decide on the proxy status. If you need the record to operate without Cloudflare's proxy, perhaps for DKIM, verification tokens, or certain SaaS integrations, you should select the DNS-only option, which is indicated by a gray cloud. However, if you want to leverage Cloudflare's caching, SSL, or CDN functionalities for the hostname, you should choose the proxied option, represented by an orange cloud. Finally, after all your fields have been carefully filled out, you simply click Save. This will create your Cname record, successfully updating your DNS settings. And that's it. You've now successfully added a Cname record in Cloudflare. This will help direct traffic as needed and ensure your domain operates smoothly. Thanks for following along, and happy domain managing.